In the stillness of my soul, your voice makes me whole. Through the silence I can hear your words are crystal clear. You breathe new light into the air. I know that you are there. Every doubt begins to fade by the truth you made. You speak beyond the sound, where grace and peace are found. I'm listening again to where your love begins. Whisper of truth, soft and kind. You bring peace to my mind. Every moment, every hue, I'm drawn closer to you. Whisper of truth, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in what you say. Your spirit moves in gentle waves. Your mercy freely saves. Every shadow disappears when your whisper nears. You lift me high, you pull me through. My heart belongs to you. I'll follow where you guide. With you I'll abide. You speak beyond the sound, where grace and peace are found. I'm listening again to where your love begins. Whisper of truth, soft and kind. You bring peace to my mind. Every moment, every hue, I'm drawn closer to you. Whisper of truth, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in what you say. Let your voice fall like the rain, healing every pain through the quiet night. You turn dark to light. Your truth restores my soul. Your words make me whole. Forever I will hear your whisper near. Your light keeps rising. The sky unfolds in shades of gold. Your mercy to behold. Every breath a gentle wave. Your love so strong to save. The ocean sings your melody, a timeless symphony. Your spirit in the air. I feel you everywhere. You calm the tides inside. With peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade. In you I'm unafraid. Peaceful horizon, wide and free. Your presence covers me. Every moment, every sigh, you lift my soul so high. Peaceful horizon, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will see your peace surrounding me. Peaceful horizon. The wind is soft, the world is still. I'm resting in your will. Every heartbeat starts anew. With gratitude for you. Your light reflects across the sea. It draws me close to thee. Every wave, your grace unfolds, more precious than gold. More precious than gold. You calm the tides inside. With peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade. In you I'm unafraid. Peaceful horizon, wide and free. Your presence covers me. Every moment, every sigh, you lift my soul so high. Peaceful horizon, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will see your peace surrounding me. Let your spirit fill the air. I know you're everywhere. Every fear will fade away in the light of day. You shine beyond the sea. Your peace alive in me. Forever I will stay in your gentle way. Peaceful horizon. Peaceful horizon, wide and free. Your presence covers me. Every moment, every sigh, you lift my soul so high. Peaceful horizon, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will see your peace surrounding me. Peaceful horizon, forever you stay. Peaceful horizon. Hearts alive. hearts alight. Shine with me, forever free. Your light awakens my soul. You make the broken whole. Every shadow fades away as you begin to stay. You lift my eyes to see the dawn, a love that carries on. Every breath I take is yours forevermore. You move like gentle fire, my heart's one desire. Your spirit softly speak in peace so deep. Shine within me, pure and bright. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me, calm and true. All I am belongs to you forever. I will be where you shine in me. Through endless skies, your mercy flows. Your kindness overflows. Every step I walk in light. Your love makes all things right. You fill the dark with golden hue. My soul finds rest in you. In silence I can hear your voice so clear. You move like gentle fire, my heart's one desire. Your spirit softly speaks in peace so deep. Shine within me, pure and bright. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me, calm and true. All I am belongs to you forever. so tight. Through every dark night, your love will never fade. In you I remain. Faithful glow, calm and pure, your mercy will endure. Every season, every rain, your peace remains. Faithful glow, shining through all my hopes in you. Forever I will know your faithful glow. The night grows quiet, stars arise. Your truth fills up the sky. Every word you've ever said still echoes in my head. You guide my feet with tender light. You turn my wrongs to right. Your faithfulness won't cease. It brings me peace. You hold my heart so tight through every dark night. Your love will never fade. In you I remain. Faithful glow, calm and pure, your mercy will endure. Every season, every rain, your peace remains. Faithful glow, shining through all my hopes in you. Forever I will know your faithful glow. When I can't see the way, you turn the night to day. Through silence you still speak. Your love's what I seek. Your spirit lights the dark, ignites my sleeping heart. Forever you will show your faithful glow. Faithful glow, calm and pure, your mercy will endure. Every season, every rain, your peace remains. Faithful glow, shining through all my hopes in you. Forever I will know your faithful glow. Faithful glow. Forever you show. Breath of heaven, flow through me again. Your spirit moves across the deep. You wake my soul from sleep. Through every calm, through every storm, you keep my heart so warm. Your whisper lingers in the air, a peace beyond compare. Every moment speaks of you, so gentle, pure and true. breathe where I can't see. Your love surrounding me. You call me to begin your life within. Breath of heaven, soft and near. Your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever you remain. Breath of heaven, calm and wide. You dwell deep inside. Forever I'll be still in your will. The night reveals your gentle flame. You wash away my pain. Your mercy falls like morning dew, restoring what is true. The stars reflect your endless grace. I'm lost within this place, where heaven meets the sea. You're breathing into me. You breathe where I can't see. Your love surrounding me. You call me to begin your life within. Breath of heaven, soft and near. Your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever you remain. Forever you remain. Breath of heaven, calm and wide. You dwell well deep inside. Forever I'll be still. Forever I'll be still in your will. Your spirit flows like wind and sea, forever guiding me. In stillness I can hear your voice so clear. You fill the air with peace and light. You turn my wrongs to right. Forever I'll belong within your song. Breath of heaven, flow again. Breath of heaven. Oh. Notice of the stars are near. Your presence whispers clear. Every wave that meets the shore reminds me I'm yours. You breathe in colors of the sky, where time and love collide. Every moment you restore, I'm whole once more. You move within the sound. Your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows. Forever it grows. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. The morning light begins to rise. Your mercy fills the skies. Every tear you washed away. In grace I stay. Your spirit moves in every breeze. A song that never leaves. You speak and hearts align. Your love divine. You move within the sound. Your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows. Forever it grows. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. Your peace like rivers flow wherever I may go. Each breath becomes a prayer. I know you're there. You calm the storm inside. Your love will never hide. Forever you will be peace over me. Echoes of peace. Forever you stay. Echoes of peace. Love that never ends. Forever you mend. The dawn unfolds, your mercy new. My heart belongs to you. Through every shadow, every pain, your turn my wrongs to right. Every moment shines anew because of you. You hold the stars, you calm the waves. Your mercy freely saves, and in your hands I find peace divine. You move through time and space, unchanging in your grace. Your promise always true, I'm safe in you. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends. Warm and near, I feel your spirit here. Forever I depend on love that ends, on love that never ends. When the world fades away, your love will stay. Through the silence and the fire, you lift me higher. You're the rhythm in my chest, my peace, my rest. Forever you defend love that never ends. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends. Warm and near, I feel your spirit here. Forever I depend on love that never ends. Oh, love that never ends. Love that never ends. Forever you mend. Love that never ends. Sacred moment where you dwell.